Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Life. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find fuses, relays for the stop lights, also known as brake lights on GMC Terrain. The generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Stay with us guys, we'll explain about that. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. And by the way guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we will share that information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos guys that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So for the brake lights, stop lights guys, okay, first if you have problems with them, yeah, check these fuses, but also guys, test your brake light switch. Okay, we'll have video on the channel that will explain how to do that, because brake light switches quite often could be the problem why brake lights, stop lights do not work as well. If you're just one of them, okay, proceed with what we need to do here now. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Now guys, we need to open the front right door on the passenger side. In the footwell compartment on the passenger side, you see on the center console on the side you have a cover. Pop that cover open and underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So now we'll need to check multiple fuses. These fuses are for lights and BCM guys, because there is very limited information exactly about that fuse, but we need to check all these fuses, most likely it's one of them. Always test them as well. We need to start with fuse number 4, 6, and fuse number 7 will need to be checked here. Then you go to fuse number 8, right here, 16 and 20 will need to be checked. After that you go to 30, then it's 1, 2, 3, 34, and fuse number 40, which will be that fuse right here. After that you need to go ahead and pop the hood open, and on the driver's side is the main engine fuse box. Here you have a clip here, clip there, release them, leave the cover up, and that's the fuse box guys. Here we need to check a few more fuses as well. We're talking about fuse number 35, 39 right here, and relay 59. Those are very important things. If you still have problems guys, check lights, of course, okay, light bulbs, that might be the problem. Check the connector, that could be the problem. Sometimes a bad light bulb can cause the BCM to deactivate that light specifically, so it doesn't cause like the system to burn or wires to melt. So after replacing the light, after fixing it or replacing a fuse, you may need to access your BCM and reset the codes, clear the codes. You will need to get a scanner that can access the BCM body control module. If you want to see which one we use, usually we'll have the link in the description of the video below guys. Check it out, but often that could solve your problem as well. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below with you where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.